What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add up to 20 images to an Instagram carousel post. Instagram recently introduced an exciting update that allows users to include up to 20 images or videos in a single carousel post, doubling the previous limit of 10. To create a carousel post on Instagram, start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the plus icon located in the bottom menu. This will open the options for creating a new post. From here, select Post to start creating your carousel. Next, you'll need to choose the images or videos you want to include in your carousel. Start by selecting the first image or video from your gallery. After selecting the first one, look for the carousel icon, which usually appears as a stack or squares. Tap this icon to enable the multi-select mode, allowing you to choose up to 20 images or videos for your post. As you select each image or video, they will appear in the order they were selected. Once you've selected all of the images and videos you want to include, tap Next to proceed to the editing stage. Here, Instagram gives you the option to apply filters or make edits. If you want to apply the same filter to all images and videos in your carousel, you can do so with just one tap. However, if you prefer to customize each image or video individually, tap on the item you want to edit, and then you can adjust its brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. This level of customization allows you to ensure each image or video in your carousel looks exactly the way you want it. If you want to rearrange the order of your images or videos, simply press and hold on an item. Then, drag it to its new position. This is a useful feature if you've changed your mind about the sequence in which your content should appear. If you decide that one of the images or videos doesn't belong in the carousel after all, you can remove it by dragging it to the trash can icon. After you've finished editing and rearranging your carousel, tap Next to move on to the final steps. Here, you can add a caption to your post, which is a great way to provide context or engage your audience. You can also tag people, add a location, or include hashtags to increase the visibility of your post. Additionally, Instagram allows you to adjust your sharing settings at this stage, so you can decide if you want to share your post on other platforms like Facebook or Twitter. When everything is set up the way you want it, tap Share to post your carousel. Instagram will then upload your content, and your followers will be able to swipe through the 20 images or videos in your post. In case this option is not available for you, then it's likely you haven't updated Instagram recently. To update the app, open up your App Store and navigate to Instagram's Store page. If an update is available, you will see an update instead of the usual open prompt. Proceed with the update, and you will now also have the option to add up to 20 images in an Instagram carousel. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.